Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Soaps YouTube channel. Tonight I am opening a package from Brambleberry. I have been waiting all day for this to be delivered and I am finally able to open it up and show you guys what I've got in store for us. I really like how they stuff their packages. Nothing at all moves around inside this box in the middle of shipping. So, it makes me feel very happy with everything coming in, knowing that everything's gonna be safe and sound when it makes it to the house here. So, we're going to start off with some fragrance oils. So this is the strawberry. These are all new fragrance oils for me. I have not used these before. So I'm getting prepared for summer coming. So a lot of these are going to be summer scents. Okay, so strawberry. Smells exactly like strawberry. The description says it's product description. It says, add this sweet and tart fragrance oil to handmade soap, lotion, and bath bombs. It smells just like strawberry gum. It says it behaves well in cold process soap. Discolors none. So there's the strawberry. I'm super excited about this because I don't think I've ever smelled anything that has pineapple and cilantro in it. But the product description for this one is, this scent is the perfect addition to your next recipe. It has notes of pineapple, coconut, orange, cilantro, vanilla, and musk. Try it in DIY soap, lotion, and scrub. There's 0.3% vanilla content in this, no discoloration. The oil color is a light yellow, but it behaves well in cold process. Ooh. Now that smells really good. So, I see a lot of beverage-inspired soaps, especially the high top soaps. So that is the plan with this. I'm gonna try to make a soap bar that looks tropical and has like a cute little paper straw coming out of the top of it. And I hope to do some soap frosting on that batch as well. But that smells really, really good. This fragrance here is one I've been wanting to try for a long time. If I can, here we go. This is the oatmeal, milk, and honey fragrance oil. This seems to be something that every soaper has as part of their stock, is a soap fragrance with something that is oatmeal, milk, and honey. I don't know where they get their fragrance oil from, but we're gonna try Brambleberries. Ooh, that smells good too. The product description for this one is oatmeal, milk, and honey is our top selling fragrance oil, and for good reason. You'll love the creamy and comforting scent in this. Okay. Yeah, that smells great. The vanilla content in this is 2.5%, and it discolors to a brown, but it behaves well as well. So we'll be trying a couple of different brown or tans and see if maybe we can get a white color in this batch. Might leave part of that soap batch unscented, so maybe it'll stay like a cream or a white color. So we'll try. But that smells really, really good. Okay. And I believe this is the last fragrance oil that I had gotten. I have no idea what to expect with this. This is the Daisy chain, and this is supposed to be a dupe. A dupe for Marc Jacobs Daisy. It has notes of violet, strawberry, jasmine, vanilla, and musk. Okay. Says 0% vanilla content, behaves well in cold process, no discoloration. Ooh. That smells really good. I can't even begin to describe that. But that's definitely something that would smell really great in a lotion too. But we're going to put this in a soap. Alright, on to the next few things we've got. Here is a little sack here of TD, titanium dioxide. There's a bunch here. This is, I think this was the where does it say? Yeah, 16 ounces of this. I like to kind of batch this up, so that'll be handy. I just ran out. So, and here's 1 pound of organic clear melt and pour soap base. So that is definitely clear. Can't wait to use that. Okay. This is a silicone mold. This is like a rounded off square shape here. Piece of cardboard there. Okay. That's a really pretty shape. So this is a 6 cavity silicone mold. The capacity of this whole entire thing is 22.8 ounces, but the 1 cavity holds 3.8 ounces of soap batter. So I figure something like this would be great for leftover soap from some of my batches, as well as trying out new techniques so I'm not making as big of a batch. But there's definitely a few techniques that I plan on trying coming up this summer. That'll be marbling and the clamshell technique that's going around. Just several different things I would like to try. So, and I've been needing a square mold that just has like a finished rounded edges here. I love that. And this is a really good quality. This is pretty thick silicone here. So far I have liked Brambleberry's molds. They seem to be doing it the right way. So I like that. Okay. Super excited about this. I have never used a column mold before. I would like to do a soap for Memorial Day, and part of that would require a square embed. And so it looks like there's interlocking channels here. And I've seen a lot of people just interlock them and then put rubber bands around it. So that just ensures that you're not losing all that batter and it doesn't seep out there. Yeah, so we'll play around with this a little bit too. And again, this is a very thick quality mold. I love this. That's awesome. And that's definitely the size I need. That's gonna for sure fit my molds there. My the regular molds that I use. I'm gonna go ahead and move this box out of the way. I'm sorry if my tabletop is dirty here. UPS seems to, boxes always come a little bit dirty. White bursting beads. I have never worked with bursting beads before, but I think they're gonna work perfect for the project and the design that I have in mind. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Awesome. Yeah, there's plenty here, and this is net weight of 1 ounce, and I'm probably not even going to be using, I'll probably only use half of this bag for my project. Awesome. Okay, and last thing is our Rainbow Mica Sampler Pack. I needed several colors of the micas, but instead of getting like a jar or a big pack of it, I just decided, you know what, I need to try more of the different shades anyways, so figured I'd get just a sampler pack. Ooh, wow, look at that orange. That is a bright orange. Okay. So we got raspberry mica, Kelly green mica, Queen's purple. These are all 0.2 ounce. Racing stripe orange mica.
Oh, you're making a video?
I am.
Oh, I thought you were talking to someone.
Caribbean, sorry.
Hi.
Caribbean blue mica. Lucia says hello to everybody. And rose gold mica. Oh, that's pretty. Super pretty there. And then buttercup mica. Super excited to try this one too. Perfect. Oh yes. So we have plenty of goodies to play around with. I have several different projects in mind, different designs that I'll be trying. And then of course, these guys here, the fragrance oils, are going to be great testing out. Alright guys, so there is our unboxing of our Brambleberry order. It actually shipped pretty fast and got here very fast too. We're in Florida, so everything from Brambleberry ships from Washington. So it traveled a long way to get here, but they were very prompt in getting it shipped out. So, of course, that is very much appreciated. So, yeah. I cannot wait to get started on our next several batches of soaps. Alrighty. We will catch y'all in the next videos.